Friends, here we have Mr. Mohan Reddy, who is a consultant to the MNC's company, and now he has decided to be a full-time trader or to consider trading as his main source of income. So let us hear from Mohan Reddy what he feels about the 7-day course.
Hi all. I enrolled Money Mint a course. This course told about a lot of options. My background is I am a ex-employee of one of MNC, senior consultant. Now I became a full-time trader. This course give you most of the strategies in the options. You will find almost all kind of strategies, how to do straddles, long positions, and you can see iron condor. Lot of strategies are there available. Using this strategies, you can without your stop loss will be fixed and profit will be unlimited. Based on your view, you can take the suitable strategy so that you can earn more of you can consistently earn using these strategies. And one more
So,
thing is, yeah,
so
yeah.
all the strategies what has been mentioned, they were given to you with the reason when to do, how to do. Was
Okay.
everything was explained from start to end, or it was
Yes.
just overview?
No, it is properly explained where to take the call and which we need to find using indicators to find the right location and right place to enter and right place to exit. Uh, those details will be given clearly with simple Elite wave theory. And this simple, if you go through Elite theory, it will take 3 years together to learn. But if you follow SARS 1, 2, 3, 4 step, it will be easy to understand, and you will get uh, simple overview of allied theory. Based on that, you can use your strategy, and as well as through Bollinger Band, through other kind of parameters using EMI, you can enter the strategies. This is if you everybody should know this code, and you will get one free software, Oracle, so that you can check your graphs and validate your strategies as well. uh, this all most of the features are available, and you will get a free basic tra- trade trade course as well, and you can learn about basics of trading. uh, Most of the thing is in 7 days. Most of the option change, everything is covered in detail. So enroll it, and you will get the knowledge of full knowledge of options. Thank you. Thank you,
That's
sir.
great, sir. How did you find the support from our side?
Yeah, it is great. You whenever whatever you require, you just WhatsApp SAR or is their team. They will directly call you and tell you the details. It is very easy to access, and most of the thing is SAR make you to learn things properly. That is the uh, one of the good thing. People will go for all the courses, but they won't learn. But if you come here, you have to do homework, and you have to do your routines, so that you will came to know the right path to right path of learning. So please enroll it for this course, and you
So,
will
as a
get.
common person, do you find it easy to implement the system? System is implementable.
Yeah, it is very very much implementable. the thing is, you have to know the basics, and you have to be whatever sir told, you have to learn those things, and you have to enter in the system. Then by default you will get the result. If you follow the process of SaaS teachings, you will get the result.
Great, great, Mohan. Thanks for sharing your thoughts, and hope it enlightens the people, those who want to learn. Thanks, Mohan.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
thank you.
Thank, thank you, sir. Thank you.